There's some of them are out. They are already Master Barnes, Instructor of Barnes, disciple, successor and disciple. Some are not in the books yet because when the books publish, they are not yet my member. Now, this is the first time of the Balita who are beginning out some of this. Some of you are just attend already a lot of style of Eskrima. All martial art, Filipino are good. You know, I'm not criticized, but as others say that different flavor. Different flavor, different style. But I tell you frankly, this kind of martial art is the one who, the great teacher of this is Lorenzo Saavedra, or means Lorenzo Tatay Lorenzo Father Saavedra, and his nephew is the greatest fighter in the Philippines. Teodoro Doring Saavedra, when this Doce Pares was organized in 1932. I am not criticizing Doce Pares. The real Doce Pares is the Balintawak member who organized in 1952. All people who was in the picture in 1952 are those people who are the real Doce Pares. My dad is a guerrilla soldier before World War. He's a member of Doce Pares. Vicente Atilio, my dad. Delphine Lopez, the greatest fighter after World War II. And Doring Saavedra. And Ansyong Bacon, the Grand Master of the Balintawak. But these people, I can imagine that they are good in honest. But the only thing that I can say during World War II, during Saavedra, before he was killed by the Japanese, when he was arrested, he was killed by the Japanese. In 1943 and 44, I saw him the style. That's why after the war, in 1948, 45, 46, liberation, 47, 48, I started learning from my dad. I am 7 or 8 years old until now. Every week, I'm teaching, learning, teaching. How many years? I am 75 years learning this art. And you will not believe me, I am a small man, but I fight 4 times that much in the Philippines. I'm not criticized other martial art Filipino coming here. They are Doce Pares, they are one, but they never fight anyone. But just, that is Filipino style. I do not know American. Filipinos, I'm the best. I'm Grandmaster, give me that. I'm Grandmaster, I fight 30 times. You know, Filipinos, our God. But now Filipinos who are here, who are used to sin since they were born, they're gone, doctrine like that. It's like American. So our style of Eskrima, okay, there it comes. You know, this is the old style. Oh my God, this is the old style. They are trying to like that, but this is not the style. Tatay Enzo learned from the 12 pairs of France. He was put in prison during the Spanish time. When he met this 12 pairs of France, 1, 2, or 3, he tried his best to one stick, using one stick, 2 stick, and 1 dagger. Put the dagger. In our Eskrima, we are not using this. This is old style. We change that here. Vertical. The vertical defense, like this. Your feet like this. When you strike me, your hands at the back. Yeah? This is like we call it blue One strike, bang! How to disarm immediately. So, this I'm not in prison because I'm using a stick to hit him. When it's on the slow, yeah, just so